Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's see how to find the area of different quadrilaterals. Okay, so I'll be one by one finding these areas. If you have any questions, you have to let me know. The first shape over here, that is a rectangle. So area of the rectangle is length into width. So area is length time width. Okay, so this is 5.1 times 2, so that is going to be 10.2 meters square. Never forget to write the units if the units are given. Okay, so that was the first question's answer. Okay, you can keep checking your answers. Now we look at the second question. You must know that this is a trapezium over here. A trapezium is basically, if I try to, explain to you the formula for the area of a trapezium. The formula is basically we can divide a trapezium into two triangles. So just to explain you the formula. So this is basically, if this is the triangle A and this is the triangle B, then area of this shape is going to be area of triangle A plus area of triangle B. Okay, so this is this triangle has half into base into the height, this area, plus now this height. If you look at this height would be same as the height of this triangle, so this is going to be 4 as well. Okay, so plus the area of the second triangle, that is half into 7 into 4. This 5 is not required here to determine the area of this trapezium. So this way, the area is going to be, you have this as, this is 8 plus this 14. So that is 22 centimeters square. So if you combine these two, you can learn the actual formula of the area of a trapezium. That is half into the sum of the parallel sides times the height. We have this formula because we have two triangles. Okay, this is the base of one triangle, this is the base of the other triangle, and you have a common height between them. So you must be able to identify that what are those two parallel sides here that have to be added. Okay, so this is going to be, since trapezium has just one pair of parallel sides, so therefore you can easily see that like this is one of the parallel sides is 4, the other is 5. So this way, this is going to be 4 plus 7 times the height, which is 4. So you get the same area as you got by splitting this into two triangles. Okay, if you look at the third diagram, the third quadrilateral, you will be able to identify this as another trapezium. Okay, we can see that this sign tells, this arrow sign is telling that this 12.4 and this 8.2, these are two parallel sides here, and this is the height between them. Height is the distance between two of these parallel sides here. So here the area would be again half into the sum of the parallel sides. So this is, one is 12.4, the other is 8.2 times the height, that is 10. So this is 20.6 times 5. So is that 103? Can someone please check?
113. Yeah, 103.
Yeah, this is 103 because 20.6 times 5 is going to be 103 meters square. Okay, let's look at some more examples. We have to find, these are a bit harder situations here. Okay, so now the fourth question here, if you look at the fourth question, guys, so what shape is this? The fourth, the fourth, the quadrilateral in the fourth example here. So this is a kite. When you have to find the area of a kite, you better divide this into two parts, okay? Because this way, so if you have, now you see this is given to you as this is 3 centimeters. So that means the height of this triangle. What would be the height of this triangle, Bacho?
1.5.
1.5. Okay. So you have exactly two such triangles in here. So let's just find the area of one of this triangle and then you double that. Okay. So that is going to be in this fourth question. So there is no direct formula basically here for the area of a kite. So we always divide this kite into two triangles. Okay. So this would be twice, since there are two triangles. Okay. Half into the base. The base is given to you for this triangle, that is 6. Half into 6 into 1.5. Okay, because this height over here is 1.5. So you have this area. This area is equal to 9 centimeter square. Okay, this is equal to 9 centimeter square. Yes. Hmm? Hmm? Okay, fifth question. Uh, since we're dealing with the quadrilaterals here, so this one is not a quadrilateral on the whole. And recipe, we have the formulas up to the quadrilateral. So you have to divide your shape into the triangles and the quadrilaterals. So here, this lower part is a rectangle here up to this, okay? So this is 5 times 3. So if I call this A and I call this B, it's good to name these quadrilaterals. So the total area would be area of A plus the area of B. So we can see that this A is a rectangle here. So its area is a length into width. And then this B is a trapezium. So we must know that what are those two parallel sides. So this one is given as 3. So this is 5. So this one I can write this as 5 as well. Okay, because these are the opposite sides of a rectangle. And then this is the height of this trapezium that I need to know, that how much is this. So since all of this was given to you as 7, okay, and this one is 3, so 7 minus 3, so we can say that the height of this trapezium is going to be 4. So you see there's a lot of planning required. You have to look at these given uh, measures very closely, and you have to decide which information has to be picked and how to extract the required information from the given information. Okay, so this is half into sum of the parallel sides. One of the parallel side is this 3, okay, the other one is 5, and times the height, which is this 4 over here. Okay, so that is 15 and plus 16. So this is 31 meter square. Okay, and then we are going to go on to this seventh question. Please see this. You must be able to do, like, do these 7, 8, and 9 yourself. Try them and then I'll tell you how to do them. In this seventh question, this is clearly a trapezium. You have, you see these arrows tell you that which two sides are, I mean, they are parallel to each other. So we have, now the formula is basically half into sum of the parallel sides times the height. Okay, so one of the parallel sides is 4, the other is 9, and then you need the height, and height is here, that is 4. This one is your height. Okay, so that is 4, because this would be same if you even draw here, that would be 4. You can determine this anywhere. Okay, this is 4. So this way the area is going to be 13 times 2, so that is 26 unit square or meter square. ठीक है? अच्छा,
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
yes बेटा.
सर जब हम लोग इसकी हाइट अगर लाइक ट्रायंगल के फॉर्म में लें, अगर हम 7 और 9 का एक ट्रायंगल बना के करें, तो तो फिर उस ट्रायंगल की बेस 5 आती है, और फिर अगर हम लोगों ने उसकी हाइट निकालनी है तो 4.9 आती है।
नहीं बेटा, a very good question. Let me tell you. Please remember that there has to be a right angle between the base and the height, between the base and the height. Okay, so even if you divide this into two triangles here, Even if you divide this into two triangles, beta, like suppose you draw a line over here, okay? So uh, this will be the height of this triangle, this lower triangle, and this will be the height of this upper triangle. And one of the triangles, this is the base of this triangle, this is the base of the lower triangle, and both of them have the same height, which is 4. Got it? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So remember, height and base, they have to be at right angles to each other. Now, if you look at this eighth question, we have already seen how to determine the area of a kite. Area of a kite, to find the area of the kite, you divide your shape into two triangles, okay? Like I'm going to do it here. So you see that the base is 9 and the height is going to be 2 over here, okay? So basically we have to find all this shaded area over here. So I'll find the area of the um, rectangle. That will be, the rectangle's area is 9 into 4, okay? 9 times 4. And then I'll take out the area of this kite, which is unshaded. So I have divided this into two triangles. So time minus 2 times, this is half into 9 into 2. There are two triangles. One is this, the other is this, okay? So both have a height of 9, because this is 9 over here, okay? And their base is 2, okay? So twice half into base into height.
18.
So this is going to give us 18. So the required area is 36 minus 18, and that is going to be 18 centimeter square. Okay. Then our last question of the day, this one, the ninth question, it says find the area shaded blue over here. So you see that finding, if you want to find the area of these triangles here, this is up to you. Okay. Like, this triangle has a base 6. Okay. Its height is going to be 5. And this triangle has this 5, and this is going to be, since all of this is 9 over here, so this can be marked as 2. So you can add up the areas of these two triangles. So that is half into 2 into 5 plus half into 5 into 6. So this is 5 plus 15. Do you think we can find the same area with any other method? Hmm? क्यों भाई? कैसे?
पहले रेक्टेंगल का निकाल के
Yeah.
फिर उसमें ट्रायंगल माइनस
उसमें से you take out the trapezium
Trapezium.
from that, okay? Guys, if you take out the area of the whole of this rectangle, which is going to be 5 times 9, okay? This is 5 times 9. And then you take out the area of this white trapezium from it. You see, you have these two parallel sides. One is this 3, the other is 7. And then what is the height of this trapezium? Can you tell me? That is 5, Hannah. This is 5. This is half into uh, 3 plus 7 times 5, okay? So you see this is 45, and then minus this is going to be uh,
10.
half into 10, which is 5 into 5 is 25. So you get the same area. Okay, that is meter square. This is meter square. So I have tried to explain how do we find the areas of different quadrilaterals in this segment here.